Hello fans of ExiArts and of course fans of mountains and drone footage videos. This place, what you see is the steep mountain ridge of the Yumruka Peak, which is right next to Eho Hut in Bulgaria in the Balkan Mountains. This wild area is in pristine nature area, part of the big and vast Central Balkan National Park Reserve, one of the biggest reserve of wild nature in Bulgaria. It's thousands of square kilometers. I'm not sure how much exactly. I think it's a couple of thousand square kilometers. Not sure, of course, but all you see is a wild mountain ranges. I'm sorry, and some very less pathways that humans use, and most of the pathways are made by the mountain goats here in these high and steep places, and of course these ancient pines and beech and other forests down there, that some of these trees are hundreds of years old. The beech trees around are up to 5, 6, 700 years old. Some of them untouched by humans. There's no other activity than tourists passing by the pathways throughout the entire of this mountain national reserve, and pretty much you can say, watching the beautiful landscape, that it's pristine and wild juniper berry and red blueberry and normal blueberry plants that make the carpet of the mountain face, kind of the carpet. And here we are here on the pathway that's formed by humans. You see the white pathway has eroded